Hello everybody. So today I'll be talking about oral appliance therapy that has helped millions of patients across the world to treat their primary snoring issue or the issue of obstructive sleep apnea. It is primarily indicated in patients who are primary snorers, who may have mild OSA, moderate OSA, or in patients who may have severe OSA but are not able to tolerate the CPAP machine. They can also be used in combination with CPAP machines so that in case the pressures required to keep the airway open by the machine is too high, then these oral appliance therapies to bring the pressures down. It can also be used by patients who are not maybe able to use a CPAP machine for whatever reason. Maybe they're out traveling or in areas where there is an issue with electricity. These actually look like a night guard, a mouth guard, which are removable. They are worn in the night and are removed in the morning. They are customized, that is, they are made according to the moods of the patient, and they're easily adjustable. They work by keeping the jaw in the forward position when it's worn at night and the patient is asleep. These are very easy to use, very easy to maintain, and they're completely non-invasive. To know if an oral appliance is the right form of treatment for you, then do get in touch with your sleep specialist or a dentist who is specially trained in delivering these appliances. Thank you.